Now, now I like to be invite Mr. Harpreet Singh Vahan. He is going to be give the definition what is our Khalsa Panth about the Vaisakhi, and he's a Sikh Culture Society the member and with the assistant manager of Columbia University Interfaith Council member. So now, let's see.
Thank you. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I'm sorry about so many typos and over here. I'm not the president of Sikh Culture Society, but I'm the president of Flushing Interfaith Council. And the Khalsa has been introduced to this word because of this very foundation which Guru Nanak Sahib laid in 1469, and throughout 9 successive gurus in 230 years they designed that model to the word Khalsa. I thank God for this opportunity to bring us together on this platform. I thank you all, especially initiative of Queensborough President Melinda Katz and her great team, especially Mohammed Hack, who hosted the planning committee, and other team members and staff of Borough President. I also thank all of you who took time to come out from far and near to celebrate Vaisakhi together on this platform. And I hope that this is going to be an annual event. Not only Vaisakhi is going to be an annual event here, we will have Guru Nanak Sahib's Gurpurab also will be celebrated over here only. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So what is Vaisakhi? Vaisakhi is pronounced as Vaisakhi, is named after the month of Vaisak, second month in lunar calendar. Our friends in Bangladesh also celebrate it as mark of New Year. Vaisakhi is long established harvest festival across North Indian states. And not only North Indian states, now it's celebrated all over the world. It had been celebrated long before it gained an added dimension for Sikhs as establishment of the Khalsa. It's one of the most significant holidays in Sikh calendar, a religious, a cultural festival that Sikhs all over the world celebrate on 14th of April. It was spring of 1699 when the tree planted by Guru Nanak Sahib and nurtured by his 9 successive gurus came to full blossom. It was when the 10th Nanak, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, born in 1666 and went back to Sachkhand in 1708. The 10th Nanak in 1699 at the Vaisakhi congregation in Sri Anandpur Sahib, Punjab, India, had baptized the 5 beloved ones, Panch Pyare, with Khande Di Pahul, Sikh initiation ceremony. That's the baptism ceremony. That's the initiation ceremony whenever somebody joins the Sikhism. They take Khande Di Pahul. The names of these 5 beloved ones, the Panch Pyare, is also a very special significance because by Daya Singh, the Daya word stands for compassion. By Taram Singh, the Taram word stands for justice. By Himmat Singh, Himmat stands for courage. We have Himmat Singh Sarpanch also over here. By Mokam Singh, Mokam stands for discipline. And by Sahib Singh, Sahib stands for Sardari, the leadership role. All of these qualities Guru Gobind Singh wanted to infuse and induce into Khalsa. And all of them came from different castes also, which was also another symbolic reference to ensure that there won't be any caste-based division in Sikhism. Guru Gobind Singh Ji gave distinct identity on this day. Our turban was formally introduced in 1699, although turban has been there since forever. So Panch Kakars, we got Ks, unshorn hair as our spiritual antenna for meditation. Kanga, comb to ensure care and cleanliness of hairs. Kashera, special shorts to remind that no sex with anyone except our own spouse. Kada, bracelet to remind that we are slaves of one God and we ought to do good deeds. And Kirpan, a sword to remind that we gotta stand up for equal rights, justice, liberty for whole humanity, not only for ourselves. Kirpa and on. So festival is marked with doing great deeds, kirt karna, naam japna, hosting meditation sessions and kirtan, singing of Gurbani, hosting langars, free vegetarian meal for all, one shakna, 3 basic tenets of Sikhism. Nagar Kirtan, Prabhat Feris, Sikh parades, processions are held throughout the streets which form an important part of Sikh culture and religious celebration. That's why the 5 honorees, they have been hosts of these either langars or the Nagar Kirtans. They have especially been recognized for their services. So we have Sikh Day Parade coming up also, 25th of April, and we invite Borough President for the Sikh Day Parade also. She just stepped out. It's also an important occasion for reviewing the state of the nation and renewing our commitment to redeem the glory of the Khalsa by following the footsteps of our Gurus, Kathni Karni and Rani Beni. So Guru Gobind Singh Ji reintroduced that we all might call him by names of God, Allah, Ram, Vaheguru, Father of Jesus, Enlightener of Moses, or Center of Prophet Muhammad, or the Center of Guru Nanak. But reality is that there is but one God and God resides in all. And we must realize one God in all. There's a famous saying also among Sikhs that if we can't see one God in all, we cannot see God at all. Sab mein jyot, jyot hai soi. We have to recognize that there is but one jyot, but one enlightener, one light in all. And Manas ki jaat, sabe ke pehchan bo. A hymn from 5th Nanak, Dhan Guru Arjan Dev Ji, whose birthday, whose Gurpurab we celebrated just yesterday only. Sarab taram mein shreshth taram, har ko naam jap nirmal karam. Of all the religion, the best religion is to utter the name of God with adoration and to do good deeds. Sagal kriya mein uttam kriya. Satsang durmat mal hirya. Of all the rites, the best rite is to clean one's mind in company of holy people. Sagal uddam mein uddam pala, har ka naam japo ji sada. Of all the good deeds, the best deed is to meditate on thy name and praise it forever. Sagal bani mein amrit bani, har ko jas sun rasan bakhani. Of all the speeches, the best speech is to listen to and then reflect on God with others. And finally, the Sagal Than Te O Uttam Than, Nanak Jekat Vase Har Naam. Greatest place is that place where God is remembered. Because where there is remembrance, there cannot be injustice. There can only be peace, equality, and harmony. I thank you and applaud all of you in your endeavor to make our New York, especially our Wordsboro of Queens, such a great place. May God bring peace and wellness for all the people in the world. And I especially want to acknowledge all the great efforts which many of the social workers, I would call them, actually every Sikh is a social worker, they are doing, whether it is in the form of marathon runner Dr. Avtar Singh Tinna, or whether interfaith leader Harbachan Virji, or anybody else out there, Walia Saab, or anybody else out there, and of course our presidents of all the Gurdwaras representing in one body, Sikh Culture Society, and currently our president Gurdev Singh Khan. I hand it over to him. Thank you.
Thank you, Harpreet. Before we're going to start our religious performance, the Kirtan Gurbani, only one shabd. And I'd like to acknowledge a couple more people. Our 102 Deputy Inspector, Mr. Om Prasad. We are very proud of him because originally he has a blood from India too, his grandparents. And we are very proud he understands all of our Sikh community, all the community problems. And I think this is the best 102 precinct, and he's the commanding officer there. And I like to acknowledge our presidents, like Guru Ravdas Temple, Bhai Nirmal Singh Ji, Sikh Center Flushing, Hardev Singh Padda, Ramgarhia Sikh Society, Sikh Center, Bhai Dayal Singh, Baba Makhan Shah Labana Sikh Center, Bhai Him Singh Sarpanch, and the Sant Sagar, Babaji Sajjan Singh Ji, but he is not here, he is today to India. And I like to be all the community. You are, whoever in this room is important for us, for the Sikh community, regardless where they work, what they do, but they work for the Sikh community. And especially I have to be thankful our priest, Bhai Bhupinder Singh Ji, Gyani Bhupinder Singh Ji, and the Gyani Jaspal Singh ji, who is also participating our Vaisakhi. Now, I'm going to special thanks Mr. Muhammad Haq. Whenever he worked for the councilman, he always looked for the Indian community. He always support and see what the problem with the Indian community. Since he is coming to the borough president office, he working the same way. He is a very hard-working man. I think I seen past 2-3 years, whenever our community, I can say he the problem solved man. He always solve the problem. So Mr. Haq, thank you so much because you always insist us. Now it's going to be a Kirtan of Gurbani one shot. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.